Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious tomato soup only way. Begin by sweating onions and garlic in olive oil until translucent, then add chopped tomatoes, stock, and a bay leaf. Simmer gently for 20 minutes, then remove the bay leaf and blend until smooth. Finish with a splash of cream or olive oil, adjust salt and pepper, and serve warm with crusty bread for a comforting meal. I'll walk you through the handful of ingredients that create a rich, balanced tomato soup. Start with ripe tomatoes or quality canned tomatoes and a low-sodium vegetable or chicken stock. Add a bay leaf and simmer with sautéed onions and garlic to build depth. Blend until silky, then finish with a little cream or olive oil and taste for seasoning before serving with fresh herbs. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker I use, perfect for cooking timers and music while you cook. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals and to pick one up if you like the idea. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Here are the simple techniques that make a huge difference in flavor and texture. Sweat the onions and garlic slowly in olive oil to coax out sweetness, then add tomatoes and stock and simmer gently to marry flavors without overreducing. Blend the soup for a smooth consistency and strain if desired for silkier results. Finish by adjusting seasoning, adding cream if you like, and serving hot with herbs and bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.